Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 10th of April 2024. The day is Wednesday. A lot of work around in the markets. Well, if you are confused that who am I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am the member of the community. I have been trading with Dukas Copy for more than 10 years now. But like I said that I am not their employee, so whatever trading ideas or opinion that I am going to discuss in this webinar or the levels that I am going to tell you, it is not coming from the Dukas Copy research team. It is coming straight away from me. I am an independent analyst. I have no affiliation with the Dukas Copy Bank. But yes, I am using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis. I am not a fundamental analysis, so I'll be only doing analysis of technicals. For this, I'll be using that candlestick type of charts to show you what are the key levels of importance for all the instruments that I'm going to see, and how you can use them in your trading setups if you have any. Okay, now at the end of the session I will also be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions and I'll try to satisfy you with my answers as much as I can. Now before I start the session, I must tell you that this session is only for entertainment or knowledge purpose. You should not take it as a trading advice. If you take any trade on the basis of this video or this webinar, you will be responsible for your own profits and losses. You cannot hold me responsible or Dukas Copy responsible for that. So please do your own research properly before you put your hard-earned money on the line. Okay. Now before we begin, let me also take you through the risk disclaimer. Right, guys, let us go to the charts. The first things first, that is the US dollar index. Right now, what you can see on your screen. Till yesterday, the bias was bearish. Why the bias was bearish? Because the price had started making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, but today the price has made a higher high. So the bias is turned into bullish again because the price has seen these two highs here, this high and this high. Okay, in between these two highs, this is the highest, sorry, lowest, highest low. Okay, or you can say the lowest low. So this becomes a valid low. So now your bias is something like this. All right, so now we have a bullish bias based on the US dollar index. Okay, so the next level of resistance in this one is now 105.32 as per my charts. Now this broken resistance of 104.82 should start acting as a good support. Now let's see if this acts as a support or 104.44 or maybe 103.62. But as of now, on on the basis of this day, at least now, as of now, the bias is bullish, and if we close a day above 104.82, then it should start acting as a good support also. Let's have a look at the pound. Well, something similar on the pound, because this is just reverse to the US dollar. So you can ascertain that 1.2709 acted as a good resistance today. The price made an intraday high of 1.2707, and yesterday the high was 2709. So the price could not even go to that high before it shoot to the downside, and now it is trading below all these lows on the left side. The only low that is left on the left side is 1.2500, which is also a psychological handle, and this low particularly on the day of 4th of February, and this low is 1.2518. so this is almost similar low as per this, and I am expecting this to be taken out tomorrow or maybe day after. Okay, so the point here is that the bias in the GBP USD is also now bearish, with the uh, today's close, it will be, I think, confirmed. Okay, so the bias has turned bearish. Now if you ask me what is the resistance, guys, 1.2709 on the upside, this is the highest low, sorry, the lowest high that the price has made, and now these, between these two lows, this is the highest high. So this becomes your downswing pivot. If the price breaks this level, then you can expect up move in this market. All right, what about the euro? Well, similar is the case, um, but in this the price has not made any lower low here. You see, in the case of pound the price has made a lower low, but in case of euro it has failed to make any lower low. What does it mean? It means that relatively euro is stronger than the pound. So if you pull out the chart of euro gbp, you will see, I think, a bullish candle today. Okay, or otherwise from here also you can come to know what happened in euro. I think euro gbp should be positive on the daily time frame. So you see euro gbp is up 0.03%. Anyways, so what I was trying to tell you here is that gbp is relatively weaker than the euro, and I think this can hold. Let's see, I'm not sure, but yes, the downside, this low has not been taken, and we will stay in an uptrend only, I think. Let's see. Australian dollar also has not seen any lower low than this one, although it has seen lower low than this one, and between these two lows, this was the highest high. So in this case, I think in euro also you can say like that. Yes. So rather than taking this low, if you take this low, which is a valid low, of course, it is a swing low. So the low has been taken out now. You can expect down moves, and 1.0885 as the resistance in the euro, and in the Australian dollar, I think this is a very clean price here. Um, Today or tomorrow, expect the price retrace to 0.6549 area where it can find more resistance and the price can push lower. Although I am expecting Australian dollar to keep rising to the upside, this may be a short term down move. I am not sure, but as of now, you can say yes, the price has entered in the downtrending channel again, and any upside will be sold in this one. New Zealand dollar, similar case. See, everything is similar. This is Wednesday, a huge move today. Maybe most probably it is because of CPI data. But let's not go about the fundamentals. Look at the technicals. This low is taken out now. Any rise will be sold off in this market, in the USD CHF also. So now I think this level becomes an important level for us. So we'll also keep an eye on this high that the price has made today, and this is 60.6083. All right. USD CHF. Well, yesterday we were looking for a head and shoulder, but today there is something else. So that head and shoulder definitely has failed, and the price has even breached 0.9113, which was the ultimate target for us on the upside when the price was trading higher. But here we had suggested that the price may be going down, but no, the price has gone up, and now 0.9113 will be acting as a support if the price meets this area from the upside. USD CAD also 1.3620, very convincingly taken with the huge volumes on the from the downside. So if the price comes back to this area now 1.3620, it should be seen as an area of opportunity to go long with the target of 1.3777. Similar is the case with the USD JPY. I think if somebody was listening to me yesterday, I was saying that there is a lot of accumulation here, and I think the price will break out to the upside now. There is a chance of a retracement to 151.97, but if that doesn't happen, then don't be surprised, because the price was accumulated so much here. There is a probability that it will not come back. Okay, now if it comes back, that will be a good opportunity for you to go long around 151.97. New Zealand CAD, again a bearish engulfing. Now this is just showing that the New Zealand dollar is weaker than the Canadian. and it feels like we will be going to the lower levels now. Now I think I should be looking at this 0.8065, but for that there is only one problem. We need to give a close below 0.8181. Okay, that is the problem, and that is with high volumes. Let's see how the things unfold in the future. What about the Bitcoin, guys? Bitcoin again found some buying close to 68,105. Today there is a buying, but if we do not cross from this swing high, there is no possibility of going higher. So the price has to breach this, and then maybe it will start buying again. Otherwise, it may keep falling. Brent, well, another downtrending move. It can extend towards 87.71, from where I am expecting it to find some support. And till the time we are not testing 87.71, we cannot say anything further on this. Any upside should be seen as a selling opportunity, 90.42, but you should not sell it, okay, because the market is in an uptrend. So I think till the time the price is holding this area of 84.61, you should not be looking for sell. But yes, you can create a channel on the downtrend here and wait for the channel to break to the upside. I think that will be a good idea, because the price was able to break on the higher side from like all time frames. Yes, you can keep an eye on this channel. When it breaks to the upside, you can go long again, and that is what I'm thinking. What about the gold, guys? Gold, this is because of the rise in the US dollar that the gold is falling, but this can be seen as a buying opportunity also. Okay, 23 or 11 is my support. In fact, not that, but 2303 is my support, and the resistance now can be seen at around today's high, guys. So keep resistance 2365 is the resistance. Okay, now the price will be in a range for some time. I think it may do something like boom 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 for some time before it breaks to the upside. Let's see how the things unfold. Okay, all right. What about the Nikkei also falling. Well, it is well within the channel as of now, but till the time it is trading above 38 to 78, we will not be selling this market. We will be looking for the buying opportunity. And if it closes or say trades even below 38 to 78, I will be looking for selling opportunities in the Nasdaq. Euro JPY just trading at nowhere, just consolidating before the next leg up or low. But I think we will wait here for some days. Boom, boom, boom. It is stuck. GBPOD. Okay, in this one I'm looking for the lower prices, but here it looks like Australian dollar fell more than the pound, therefore this market structure shift here. Now this market structure not shift but break down. Now if you carefully see that this was the market structure now, the price was making lower highs and lower lows. Here it made a high, it made a lower low, and now it has made another higher high. So expect this move now, guys. All right. So your 1.9184 should be seen as an opportunity to go long in this market now. CHF JPY, we are bearish on this one. We have already talked about it. This was a wedge, rising wedge forming on this. Today, if we close to 167.30, then this rising wedge will be broken. 166.56 is the first target. 165.61 is the second target. 162.12 is the third target on the downside, and I am expecting huge downside in this one against the in CHF against the Japanese yen. Last is Audi New Zealand. We were expecting resistance, and that resistance has finally come here, and this is a very good cool impulse here. The market structure is also broken, so any rise now from here should be seen as a selling opportunity, guys. Okay, in the Audi New Zealand, any rise from here should be seen as a selling opportunity. 1.0950 area should be seen as a good example. Okay, so this area of 1.0925 to 1.0930, this should be seen as a good area of opportunity to go short in this market if the price rises from here. Okay, with a target of 1.0844 and also the lower targets than this. Last is the Euro CHF. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Euro CHF is in a buy mode and it is still going up. I'm expecting a breakout to the upside because Swiss franc I am bearish in the longer run, and the euro I am bullish in the longer run. So I'm expecting 0.9842 to be broken very soon, maybe this week only, and then we can see the price running towards 1.0042. So guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions. I'll be trying to answer those, and if no, then I'll like to wrap up the session. Alright guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Keep them on your chart, and at least you can keep them on your chart to learn how they behave. And if you are looking for taking a trade, just remember, only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. Do not risk more. There is no requirement. The trades are coming every day. You don't have to do it. And if you think that your potential of making profit on this is less than 3 times the risk that you're going to take, then do not have to press the click, or you don't have to press the trigger in this case. You can leave that trade, because it is not worth it, I think. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinar. Have a good day. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.